guys, and welcome back to Doitonadime with Kathryn. Today's video is all Dollar Tree DIY Easter and spring decor ideas. Super easy stuff that even if you're not that crafty, you can totally do these things. And I'm loving the natural look, so I really hope that you enjoy these crafts. First up is this really adorable bunny wreath for your front door. And when I saw them at Target, they were so expensive. So here's how to make it from the Dollar Tree. You need to find the branch wreaths. You need 1 big one and 3 small ones. And you also need any type of floral of your choice. I chose these really beautiful cherry blossoms. To make the ears of the bunny, you're gonna cut a small wreath in half and then trim it down so all of the sides are even. And it's okay if a few sticks fall out. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little messy. Then you're gonna hot glue the edges together so it forms the shape of the ear. And you're gonna do that twice. Then you can go ahead and weave your cherry blossoms or whatever flowers through. For the bigger wreaths, it's really easy to weave them through, and I'd recommend for the smaller ones, hot gluing it on. Then you're gonna attach those ears to your second small wreath. To give the bunny more security, I added some wire between each of the connection points, and then I added a bunch of hot glue on top. And by the way, yes, you can get your hot glue from the Dollar Tree, and it is great. I think this project looks so cute on the front door. Next are these rustic rope nests. I was so excited about the nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and it makes the perfect little bowl. You get 15 feet of it, so take a child's bowl or any plastic bowl you have at home to use as your guide, and start snaking it around and hot gluing at every connection point. It only takes like 10 minutes or so, and when you're done, you have the cutest little bowl. Put some dollar store moss in it, and I found these really cute wooden eggs from the dollar section at Target to add to the bowl. This is so whimsical and natural looking, and you can make it for less than $2. Okay, here's one that everyone can do. It requires nothing, just a really cute $1 tin from the Dollar Tree and some of their florals. I really like getting florals that are all the same. So when I go in there, I just get a bunch and they're all uniform, and even though they're like on the cheaper end, it always looks elegant. I even put some little greenery inside of a basket on our island. It's so beautiful, so spring, and so inexpensive. Now to make these cute farmhouse carrots. I also picked up some jump ropes and a greenery sprig. I took apart the jump rope and I painted them white using chalk paint. But then you can take the little sprig apart and put it inside, and it makes these super cute rustic carrots, very farmhouse inspired, so easy to do, and I think this one would be really fun with the kids. And I have a little friend who'd like to show you the last easy DIY.
Bunnies! Making bunnies. I'm taking over.
So tell them what you're doing.
Okay, we're gonna stuff this paper right in the bunny. Oh, they're crumbling.
Dude, you know how to tie knots now?
Yeah.
These would be awesome with potpourri or essential oil inside too.
Happy Easter. Like, Happy Easter.
If you want to see more spring DIYs, leave this video a thumbs up because I have some in the works. Our guest room is a total disaster right now because I'm filming all of this stuff and I want to make a video for you guys. So let me know what you'd like to see down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to catch you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you there. Bye. These kids are trying to bust out. Oh man. Are you trying to bust out? You guys.